Hey guys, in this video, we will be learning how to draw a concrete effect wall panel. Alright, let's get started. So first thing, we can always go to our customize and utilize the ceiling function. Once we are inside the ceiling function, we may click onto the wall and click on background wall design. Alright. Okay, so first thing I know that my wall, the length is 4000 and my height is 2008. Alright, so we can start by using the rectangle to draw a rectangular shape. Alright, so we can always use the rectangle and start drawing a rectangular shape. Alright, once we draw a rectangular shape, we can click on the rectangle and then we can always resize. So for my length, I'm going to put 1000 and for my width, I'm going to put 700. Alright, once I'm done resizing the rectangle, I can adjust the position. Alright, so I'm going to stick this rectangle onto the wall, the corner of the wall. Alright, next thing I want to do is extrude. Alright, I would like to extrude this rectangle. Okay, so we can change off the wall to 20 because we know that the normal surface of the wall is already 10. Okay, so this one, we change it to 20. Okay, so it's slightly extrude a little bit out. Right, next thing we want to do is create the circle, the hole. Alright, to create a hole, we can always use the circle. Right, so zoom in closer and start drawing a circle. Right, so you can randomly just draw a circle first and then you may click onto the circle and resize. So over here, I'm going to put 69 and for my width, I'm going to put 69 as well. Alright, and then one more thing is that right now we know that the circle is actually on the same level with the rectangle. So I would like to extrude my circle back in. Alright, so we click on the circle and change off the wall back to 10. So we can actually see a slight hole. Alright. Next thing we want to do is copy a total of 4 circles. Alright, so zoom in closer, right click, copy. Alright, paste it here. Alright, paste it here and paste it right here. Right click to exit. Now we can start by adjusting the position. So over here I would like 110, okay, and over here 100. Right, so we are going to basically adjust the position for all 4 sides. Okay, so this one 100 and this one 100. Over here 110. Alright, so right now basically we are done with one of the concrete wall panel. So right now we would like to pave across the entire wall. Alright, so right click onto your rectangle, alright, the concrete wall panel. Okay, you can use the paving continuous and just pave across. But before clicking on enter, you can always type in the gap size, alright, if it's needed. If not, then just leave it 0 and press enter. Alright, so now we have the entire wall with the concrete effect wall panel. Alright, so now we can actually return, okay, and go to our cloud library and put in a concrete texture. So just drag and alright, so just drag the materials in the cloud library and put it on your wall. And there you have it. So this is how to draw concrete effect wall panel. Good luck trying, guys.